在应用了自动化立体库之后，奥迪新能源工厂的物流效率得到了显著的提升，零部件的收货、存储和配送已经实现了全面的自动化，订单执行精确无误，物流周转更加高效。通过这些优化，工厂的物流流程变得更加流畅，为生产提供了有力的支持。
We, the supply chain organization of Audi, FAW and EV company, have an agenda for setting the automotive industry benchmark for efficient and state-of-the-art logistics processes. Our automated warehouse plays a central role within our automation strategy. It is fully interlinked to our SAP production and supply system and furthermore integrated to downstream process automations like AGVs. In SWISSLOG, we found a strong and capable partner. Together, we will keep on striving for our ambitious goals.